58. Nvidia officially released the Titan V on December 7, 2017. 59. 60. Nvidia officially released the Nvidia Quadro GV100 on the 27th of March, 2018. 61. Nvidia officially released the RTX 2080 GPUs on the 27th of September, 2018. In 2018, Google announced that Nvidia's Tesla 4P graphic cards would be integrated into Google Cloud Services Artificial Intelligence. 62. In May 2018, on the Nvidia user forum, a thread was started, 63, asking the company to update users when they would release web drivers for its cards installed on legacy Mac Pro machines up to mid-2012. 5,1 running the Mac OS Mojave operating system 10.14. Web drivers are required to enable graphics acceleration and multiple display monitor capabilities of the GPU. On its Mojave Update Info website, Apple stated that Mac OS Mojave would run on legacy machines with metal-compatible graphics cards, 64, and listed metal-compatible GPUs, including some manufactured by Nvidia. 65. However, this list did not include metal-compatible cards that currently work in Mac OS High Sierra using Nvidia-developed web drivers. In September, Nvidia responded, Apple fully control drivers for macOS. But if Apple allows, our engineers are ready and eager to help Apple deliver great drivers for macOS 10.14, Mojave. 66. In October, Nvidia followed this up with another public announcement, Apple fully controls drivers for macOS. Unfortunately, Nvidia currently cannot release a driver unless it is approved by Apple. 67, suggesting a possible rift between the two companies. 68. By January 2019, with still no sign of the enabling web drivers, Apple Insider waded into the controversy with a claim that Apple management doesn't want Nvidia support in macOS. 69. The following month, Apple Insider followed this up with another claim that Nvidia support was abandoned because of relational issues in the past, 70, and that Apple was developing its own GPU technology. 71. Without Apple-approved Nvidia web drivers, Apple users are faced with replacing their Nvidia cards with a competing supported brand, such as AMD Radeon from the list recommended by Apple. 72. Nvidia Yonim Office, former Mellanox Technologies, Israel, March 2023. On the 11th of March, 2019, Nvidia announced a deal to buy Mellanox Technologies for $6.9 billion, 73, to substantially expand its footprint in the high-performance computing market. In May 2019, Nvidia announced new RTX Studio laptops. The creators say that the new laptop is going to be 7 times faster than a top-end MacBook Pro with a Core i9 and AMD's Radeon Pro Vega 20 graphics in apps like Maya and Redsine X Pro. 74. In August 2019, Nvidia announced Minecraft RTX, an official Nvidia-developed patch 4th game Minecraft adding real-time DXR ray tracing exclusively to the Windows 10 version of the game. The whole game is, in Nvidia's words, refit with path tracing, which dramatically affects way light, reflections, and shadows work inside the engine. 75. In May 2020, Nvidia's top scientists developed an open-source ventilator in order to address the shortage resulting from the global coronavirus pandemic. 76. On May 14, 2020, Nvidia officially announced their Ampere GPU microarchitecture and the Nvidia A100 GPU accelerator. 77. 78. In July 2020, it was reported that Nvidia was in talks with SoftBank to buy Arm, a UK-based chip designer, for $32 billion. 79. On the 1st of September 2020, Nvidia officially announced the GeForce 30 series based on the company's new Ampere microarchitecture. 8081. On the 13th of September 2020, it was announced that Nvidia would buy Arm from SoftBank Group for $40 billion, subject to the usual scrutiny, with the latter retaining a 10% share of Nvidia. 82, 83, 84, 85. In October 2020, Nvidia announced its plan to build the most powerful computer in Cambridge, England. Named Cambridge 1, the computer will employ AI to support healthcare research, with an expected completion by the end of 2020, at a cost of approximately £40 million. According to Jensen Huang, the Cambridge 1 supercomputer will serve as a hub of innovation for the UK, and further the groundbreaking work being done by the nation's researchers in critical healthcare and drug discovery. 86. Also in October 2020, along with the release of Nvidia RTX 6000, Nvidia announced it is retiring its workstation GPU brand Quadro, shifting product name to Nvidia RTX for future products and the manufacturing to be Nvidia Ampere architecture based. 5. In August 2021, the proposed takeover of Arm Holdings was stalled after the UK's Competition and Markets Authority raised significant competition concerns. 87. In October 2021, the European Commission opened a competition investigation into the takeover. The Commission stated that Nvidia's acquisition could restrict competitors' access to Arm's products and provide Nvidia with too much internal information on its competitors due to their deals with Arm. SoftBank, the parent company of Arm, and Nvidia announced in early February 2022 that they had agreed not to move forward with the transaction because of significant regulatory challenges. 88. The investigation is set to end on the 15th of March 2022. 89. 90. That same month, Nvidia was reportedly compromised by a cyber attack. The attack coincided with the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, though there is no indication that the attack came from Russia or Russian hackers. 91. In March 2022, Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang mentioned that they are open to having Intel manufacture their chips in the future. 92. This was the first time the company mentioned that they would work together with Intel's upcoming foundry services. In April 2022, it was reported that Nvidia planned to open a new research center in Yerevan, Armenia. 93. In September 2022, Nvidia announced its next-generation automotive-grade chip, Drive Thor. 94, 95, following U.S. Department of Commerce regulations which placed an embargo on exports to China of advanced microchips, which went into effect in October 2022, Nvidia saw its data center chip added to the import control list. The next month, the company unveiled a new advanced chip in China, called the A800 GPU, that met the export control rules. 96. Finances. For the fiscal year 2020, Nvidia reported earnings of $2.796 billion, with an annual revenue of $10.918 billion, a decline of 6.8% over the previous fiscal cycle. Nvidia's shares traded at over $531 per share, and its market capitalization was valued at over $328.7 billion in January 2021. 97. For the Q2 of 2020, Nvidia reported sales of $3.87 billion, which was a 50% rise from the same period in 2019. The surge in sales and people's higher demand for computer technology. According to the financial chief of the company, Colette Kress, The effects of the pandemic will likely reflect this evolution in enterprise workforce trends with a greater focus on technologies, such as Nvidia laptops and virtual workstations, that enable remote work and virtual collaboration. 98. Year, 97, revenue in mil. $, net income in mil. $, total assets in mil. $, price per share in US dollar. Employees 2000 683,586 GPU Technology Conference. NVIDIA's GPU Technology Conference, GTC, now called NVIDIA GTC, is a series of technical conferences held around the world. 99. It originated in 2009 in San Jose, California, with an initial focus on the potential for solving computing challenges through GPUs. 100. In recent years, the conference focus has shifted to various applications of artificial intelligence and deep learning, including self-driving cars, healthcare, high-performance computing, and NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute, DLI. Training. 101. GTC 2018 attracted over 8,400 attendees. 99. GTC 2020 was converted to a digital event and drew roughly 59,000 registrants. 102. Product families. Nvidia's family includes graphics, wireless communication, PC processors, and automotive hardware/software. Some families are listed below. GeForce, consumer-oriented graphics processing products. Nvidia RTX, professional visual computing graphics processing products, replacing Quadro. NVS, multi-display business graphics solution. A Shield tablet with its accompanying input pen, left, and gain controller GRA, a system-on-a-chip series for mobile devices. Tesla, dedicated general-purpose GPU for high-end emerging generation applications in professional and scientific fields. Enforce, a motherboard chipset created by Nvidia for Intel, Celeron, Pentium and Core 2, and AMD, Athlon and Duran, microprocessors. Nvidia Grid, a set of hardware and services by Nvidia for graphics virtualization. Nvidia Shield, a range of gaming hardware including the Shield Portable, Shield Tablet and, most recently, the Shield Android TV. Nvidia Drive Automotive Solutions, a range of hardware and software products for designers and manufacturers of autonomous vehicles. The Drive X series is a high-performance computer platform aimed at autonomous driving through deep learning. 103, while DriveWorks is an operating system for driverless cars. 104. Nvidia Bluefield, a range of data processing units, initially inherited from their acquisition of Mellanox Technologies. 105, 106. Nvidia Data Center /Server Class CPU, codenamed Nvidia Grace, coming in 2023. 107, 108. Open source software support. Until the 23rd of September, 2013, Nvidia had not published any documentation for its advanced hardware. 109. Meaning that programmers could not write free and open source device driver for its products without assorting to clean room, reverse engineering. Instead, Nvidia provides its own binary GeForce graphics drivers for x.org and an open source library that interfaces with the Linux, FreeBSD or Solaris kernels and the proprietary graphics software. Nvidia also provided but stopped supporting an obfuscated open-source driver that only supports two-dimensional hardware acceleration and ships with the x.org distribution. 110. The proprietary nature of Nvidia's drivers has generated dissatisfaction within free software communities. 111. Some Linux and BSD users insist on using only open-source drivers and regard Nvidia's insistence on providing nothing more than a binary-only driver as inadequate, given that competing manufacturers such as Intel offer support and documentation for open-source developers and that others, like AMD, release partial documentation and provide some active development. 112, 113. Because of the closed nature of the drivers, Nvidia video cards cannot deliver adequate features on some platforms and architectures given that the company only provides x86/x64 and ARMv7 driver builds. 114. As a result, support for 3D graphics acceleration in Linux on PowerPC does not exist, nor does support for Linux on the hypervisor. Restricted PlayStation 3 console. Some users claim that Nvidia's Linux drivers impose artificial restrictions, like limiting the number of monitors that can be used at the same time. But the company has not commented on these accusations. 115. In 2014, with Maxwell GPUs, Nvidia started to require firmware by them to unlock all features of its graphics cards. Up to now, this state has not changed and makes writing open-source drivers difficult. 116, 117, 118. On the 12th of May, 2022, Nvidia announced that they are open sourcing their GPU kernel drivers. They are still maintaining closed-source userland utilities, hence making users still dependent on their proprietary software. 119